Hey everybody, welcome back to Maverick How To. In today's video, we're going to be installing the fender flares made by Polaris, genuine accessory, on this 2025 RZR XP 1000 Ultimate. Now, this also fits for the 2024 in all the different trim levels as well with the XP. So, I'm going to go from start to finish. We're going to hope that, with these extra wide fender flares, we're going to catch a lot of the mud before getting in the cab. I know that's probably the worst to try to clean out of there. Outside, not so bad, but this should stop a lot of it. We're going to test it out and find out on the trail here. Another video, of course. But for now, let's run through the entire list. Let's unbox it. Let's check it out. Let's see what's involved. Let's get them on there. See what happens. Thanks, everybody. So these are the pieces that came from the box. Looks fairly simple. Just wanted to show you. This is everything. Now let's check it out and get this thing installed. First thing we got to do, we got to take some of this stuff apart here. There's two torque screws we got to take off. They are T40s right here, right here. Next, we're going to stick this flathead screwdriver underneath. We're going to pop these pieces here off like so. Do the other side as well. Just be very gentle. Doesn't take very much to remove that. Save them. Next we have 1, 2, 3, and 4 of these torque screw bolts here to take out. Same thing, T40. Save everything, do not throw anything away. Next, the triangle piece of blue plastic. It's up against the existing fender flares. You gotta pull those push pins out and remove that piece. Let's take a small flathead screwdriver, get between the push pin there. Just kind of work it back and forth. So you can pull it out. So, the same thing here for the upper one. Same thing, we're going to pull it out, save the piece, put them back in. Now this piece you're just kind of lifting up and pulling away from the machine like so. Next thing we're going to do is pull off these bolts. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. We're going to take the front fender flare here. We're going to use the U-bolt. Put one here and one here. Notice how they're oriented. They're going to be threading into the back, so that's what you want it to look like. Shouldn't have to fight these pieces to get them on. They should line up pretty good as they are from the factory made for this machine. These three, the ones we're supposed to put in here, we're not going to tighten them up super tight yet. Putting this on, it's important to make sure that this piece goes behind like that. Okay, for the next part here, there is a hole right here. Right above it is the housing for the headlight. So you got to control your drill. We got to use the 5/16 drill bit and be very careful that we don't drill up into that. Take your time. Oh, right there. Then we're going to take one of the provided push pins, hold it up in there tight. Boom. That's all there is to it. Now you're going to jump back over and do the other side. So this next part here with these rubber flaps, the angle on the flap goes to the outside. Now we're going to basically do exactly what we just did in reverse. Put this back together. All right, now we're into the rear. Next we need to install the U-bolts on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And here, I'm going to take this out. I would say this is probably the hardest part here. Got to get this where you want it. Got to mark it with a pencil, and you got to get in there and you got to drill the hole. It's not easy to get to. So if you say that's a good spot right there, take the pencil so you can keep an eye on it here. I took one of these and jabbed the other side so I could see where to put it. And we're going to take a 1/4 inch, move this out here, take that point that jabbed, and we're going to take this U-bolt, put it on here. I'm going to take a long one, throw it in. We're going to use the short one that was provided. That's what will go in here. So we're all done. We got it taken care of. All 4 are on. Not too bad. I'd say you have about an hour, hour and a half install time. I like to take my time, make sure I do it right. So it's all right if it takes a little bit longer, not in a rush. I think they look pretty good. Said if you want to put some bigger tires on, maybe they don't protect as well, but like what's on now, the stock size, you're good. Really going to limit what gets in the cab. I think it looks really cool too. And you can purchase this accessory and this style machine out at Unlimited Cycle Center in Tyrone. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to them. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.